swerving. How you look so perfect on your worst days. Double C it purchase, you deserve it. Niggas in your...
Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Fabiola, as you all might know. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Also like, comment towards the ending of my video. This video, as you can see from the title, is Cosmetology Kit. If you all do not know, I am currently a cosmetology student, but I'm also currently a licensed full specialist in the state of Florida. I just decided to actually go back to get like my full license and pretty much be like a triple threat pretty much with nails, lashes, and hair as well. Please excuse my hair. As you all see from my previous video, I did go on a trip recently and I just never took out my hair, which I'm supposed to be doing right now, but love you guys so much, I decided to film. And actually I'm filming today and I'm going to upload today. So sorry, I'm back. My iPad actually went dead on me. Yeah, I have no storage, but I'm currently looking for a camera to basically start recording off of. So for now I'm using my phone and my iPad. So yeah, so back to what I was saying. About 2 days ago I actually started term 3. Now I know you guys are thinking, oh my gosh, she started term 3, where are the videos from before? Well, I am going to do like a throwback cosmetology video, and it's most likely posted right now. And it was basically a brief summary of term 1 and 2. Depending on what state you live in, the term is usually 5 terms or maybe even 4, but you all have to basically find out from your state. Basically, I'm in Florida, so it's a little bit different. And because of the fact that I am currently licensed, it won't take me a full year, thankfully. So yeah, so I should be done soon. So yeah, so I'm definitely going to post that, but let's get back to the video. Well, I'm basically going to show you my term 1 and 2 kit. And after I show you my kit for term 1 and 2, I will then show you my kit for term 3. So basically we actually, let me just show you guys a little bit. Hold on. Turn the light a little bit brighter so you guys can see. Ooh. If you guys see the struggle what we go through carrying these big old suitcases, yeah, it's a lot. So basically term 1 and 2 pretty much came with a kit like this. It's basically like a suitcase, kind of like a carry-on size. It has plenty of pockets. Ta-da! Now, don't judge me. I actually just kind of like organized it a little bit. So pretty much this right here is basically rollers. It actually came with a lot of rollers, you guys. This did not come with the kit. It actually came with a lot of rollers. Yeah, so it actually came with this bag as well, so that way we could kind of keep it organized. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm just basically going to put it off to the side because I am going to switch my suitcase, because now that I'm in term 3, I basically need more space. This is actually the blow dryer that it came with. I put my name on it and I basically wrapped it like this so that way the cords are not all over the place. Now, it also came with brushes. Let me just open it. Bear with me. I'm like recording and trying to do this all at once. I might as well clean my kit up while I'm like doing this pretty much. So it basically came with a lot of brushes. Now, I don't know the name of like each brush, but I'm just gonna show you guys. came with this brush right here. This one right here. As you can see, there's hair on it because, I mean, I've been using it for a while now. But I will clean it out and switch suitcases. So it's actually, honestly, it's actually a good quality. Like, I haven't had anything break besides like my clips that it came with. Scalp Master. So yeah, I hardly been using this, but yeah, it came with this as well. So it came with a lot of brushes and also this bag right here to basically kind of keep everything organized. So I try to keep my kit clean as much as possible. Let me just move everything over. And a flat brush. I have a lot of flat brushes from previously, not just the kit, but yeah. It also came with a flat iron. It's basically a regular flat iron. I think it goes up to like 4 something or 3 something. No, 4 something. So it gets hot quick, which is good. So hot tools aren't that bad. This is actually my curling iron. Now, my previous video, which will probably be posted before or maybe after this video, we'll see. But you guys can actually see a clip of how I basically use this. And honestly, term 1 and 2, I did not like using it. But I got used to it, and you know, basically it just took time pretty much. It actually came with 3 sizes. This is like the smallest size, and then it comes with like a medium. Yeah, so this is like the smaller one. This is like the medium one, and I also have like a bigger one, which I'll show you guys. It came with a few nail supplies as well. And combs. My combs are like everywhere right now. But yeah, it came with like a lot of combs, which half of it, I don't know where it's at. Came with a lot of combs. This is actually for my stand. And it pretty much gives you height. So I actually took it off because I'm not that tall, so I don't really use this as much. What I love using is right in here, you guys. Oh my God, I just love using it. So as you can see, turn 1 and 2, we did like a razor cut, and yeah, we did like a few cuts. But term 3, we're basically going to get more into like the chemistry part and cutting as well. So yeah, when I mean these are like a decent quality, it's actually decent. So I love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. I use it to cut my wigs when I make my little wigs. Okay, I'm trying to record and show you guys at the same time. But it basically comes with scissors, the razor, yeah, and a little kit itself. So, let's see. It also came with like a lot of clips. Like I literally have a lot of clips. A lot of clips, and I try to keep it in here. No, not try. I do keep it in here. You might see maybe 1 or 2 in here, but yeah, I try to keep it in here as much as possible. This is for my blow dryer, and I also have a comb as well that came with it, and clips. I don't have as much clips right now. They either broke or I can't find it, so I do have to go to the store to kind of get like a few more things. This comes with a pocket, the inside pocket. And I just leave like my little lotions and combs and stuff like that inside. So yeah, this is another comb that it comes with. Yeah, so that's it basically for term. So that's actually it for term 1 and 2 kit. Now, well, term 1, let me tell you this. It also came with like 2 heads, as you can see. Yesterday in term 3, we actually did perm rods. And you guys have to see the mini clip that I did of like the perm rods. And it was like my first time. So, I mean, I did a good job. It came out nice. I did a good job. This is my other mannequin head. And we basically did like a roller set. So, yeah. She cute, right? Yeah. Let's see what else. Now, for term 3, I basically took all of my term 3 kit items and I just put it like in an old bag, because as you can see, like my little suitcase cannot fit everything. This is the reason why I'm going to use a big older suitcase that I have to kind of put everything in, so that way I'm not like juggling 3 bags going to school. As you can see, I kept it in a bag actually for my kit. This one has like a different texture here, so she doesn't have a name, but yeah, put it right back in the bag. We're gonna be using it soon. So I'm basically going to leave everything to the side because I'm gonna put it in my other bag. So when I go to school next week, I can just have 1 suitcase. It smells weird, but yeah. This is my other doll, and this doll, oh sorry, the light, like a 613. And I'm guessing that we're going to do like coloring and things like that with her. She's long right now. Let's see how short she gets after the next couple of weeks. And term 3 is actually 9 weeks. But when I tell you, my class went by so fast, it's like unbelievable. It went by so fast, so fast. This is the stand that I was actually showing you, the gray piece that you could use to basically extend the stand. And basically you just put it like inside like a table and screw it back up, and you just put your mannequin head on top of it. Honestly, I use it for my wigs too when I make it, but I'm waiting for my wig stand. Yeah. Okay, this is a bowl for like the coloring. So term 3, we are going to be coloring, you guys. I'm so excited. I have another little plastic. Yeah. I have a 4-pack tipping cap. Yeah. So this is what I have. It comes with 4. And it's still in the bag because we didn't use it yet. We actually have 2 of the tint brushes. I already use it now, like at home. I have a few at home that I use for like my wigs. And we have more clips. Later on today, I'm gonna go by the dollar store so I could buy a few more clips, because my clips are like disappearing. I know they're probably here somewhere, but yeah. We have a little small little bag. Basically to store everything in. Okay, let me just leave it out. I have more. Okay. That's about it. I actually have 2 more items. So it came with like a mirror. Sorry, I know the lighting. Let's take this out real quick. So it came with like a mirror. I really could use this for my clients because I need like a hand mirror. Yeah, so I could use this right now, honestly. Honestly, the kit, don't get me wrong, it did cost some money, and honestly, me, I'm a big researcher, and of course I could have got it like cheaper, but you know, you have to purchase the kit like with the class when you sign up, but whatever. This right, ooh, this right here, you guys, oh my God, the clippers. I honestly want to make a wig today and use the clippers. I never used the clipper before, but I want to make a blunt bob wig so bad. So, I don't know. We'll see. It comes with like a little bag as well. Let's open it up. I don't want to make this video so long, but oh my God, it comes with everything. It comes with like the combs. Hopefully you guys can see. I don't want to take it out the bag. Razor. I don't know the names for a lot of this stuff. Like, I don't know. It comes with 2 razors. This is like a bigger one. Wow. Yep. Guys, do you see how big this thing is? So I definitely can't wait to do like the blunt bobs. Yeah. So I'm gonna put this back in. Put it back in a box. And I have a new suitcase that I'm gonna put everything right back in right now. Like, I don't want to procrastinate. So I'm gonna do that right now. Bring you guys closer. So, thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment, and of course, hopefully, you're subscribed to my channel. Ooh, honey, I'm breaking out. But yeah. Thank you guys. See you.